Hi everyone, I'm Bethany the Booktastic Mom, and today I have another book outlet haul. Hi everyone, I'm so happy you're here today. I'm super duper excited to share a book outlet haul with you today. So, what is book outlet? If you are new here and have no clue what book outlet is, I cannot wait to share that with you. I'm a homeschool mom of 3 girls ages 6, 9, and 12, and we love books. We love reading books, we love collecting books, and we love having books in our homeschool classroom. So when I discovered Book Outlet, probably about 5-6 months ago, I was super excited because it is a website that you can order brand new books for pretty much a few dollars a piece, which is amazing. So they always have free shipping on all orders, $35 and more. They always have some kind of sale going on. They have 15% off your entire purchase, 20% off your entire purchase. Sometimes they have buy 2 books, get 1 free. And actually, if you're watching this video around the time that this comes up, they have 30% off your entire purchase, which does not happen very often. So go on and get your books as soon as you can. And then I also have a $5 off your purchase of $25 or more, link down in the description box if this is your first time ordering from Book Outlet. So the books in this haul today are, some are winter themed, Valentine's Day themed, what else? Oh, some Easter themed, and then ones that don't really have a theme in this haul today. Now if you are new here, I do morning baskets every few weeks or every month. I do holidays, seasons, and whenever there isn't a season, I go through the alphabet. So like A is for apple, B is for butterfly, and so on. So I do have a few books for those baskets in here as well. So without further ado, on to the books. So first I have this one here. This is called Little Animal Rescue, Little Penguin Rescue, and this is a chapter book here, and it's all about penguins. Has some little drawings inside. My middle daughter loves animals, and she's gotten some animal rescue books from the library that she really enjoyed, so I thought she would love this one here. Next, I got this one. It's called A Winter's Night. Thought this would be another great one for winter. This one is also a chapter book that has some pictures inside here. And so I thought my middle daughter would love this one as well. And next here is a Valentine's Day book. We have Splat the Cat, Funny Valentine. My younger daughter loves Splat the Cat books. If you've been around here before, you've probably seen a few of these in some of our morning baskets. So this one is all Valentine's Day themed, and I love how these books have flaps in the side. Here you can look inside the basket. Open the door. I always feel like flaps makes a book just a little better. I don't know. Do you guys like flap books in your home? And next I have one for Easter, and this is the Berenstain Bears, the very first Easter book. I love Berenstain Bears books. They were my favorite as a kid, and I love these ones that have the living lights, a faith story, so they're Bible based. So this one is telling the story of Jesus. Here we have the Last Supper and dying on the cross when he rose from the dead. So I'm excited to put this one in our Easter morning basket this year. Then I have another Valentine's one. I have Froggy's First Kiss. So this one here looks super cute. Now I haven't had any Froggy books, or maybe I have, but they look so cute, so I'm excited to read this one. Next is another Valentine's one. It's called Valentines Are for Saying I Love You. This one looked cute. It has some beautiful illustrations inside. Oh, my daddy gives my mommy a bunch of flowers. It's so cute. I'm guessing it's about a little girl who is showing all the different things that they do on Valentine's Day. So excited about that one. Next is a Usborne book, but it is one that is discontinued that you can no longer get on the Usborne website. I am an Usborne consultant. I'm obsessed with Usborne books, as you can see behind me. But I also love to collect Usborne books that are out of print. So when I saw this one, Deadly Animals, I was so excited because my middle daughter loves animals, like I said earlier, and we are a homeschool family, so we love to find books that are great for learning. So this one here is pretty neat. It has a little comic inside, but then it also gives some information about all these deadly animals. Let me skip the snake pages. I'm very afraid of snakes. Are you afraid of snakes out there? I even don't like to look at pictures of snakes. So here we got a polar bear. So I'm excited about this one, except the snake pages, but that's okay. Next, I have another Valentine's Day book. I have Danny and the Dinosaur, First Valentine's Day. So we have Danny and the Dinosaur with their Valentines. Looks like they go to a donut shop, and then it has some stickers inside. Oh, and some Valentines. That is super cute. So this one's going to be a lot of fun. And then we have Happy Valentine's Day Little Critter. Little Critter books are so cute. We have a bunch of them upstairs on our upstairs bookshelf. And there's this one here. And this one has some flaps. So that is super special. Here's another page and some more flaps. This one's gonna be super fun. Next, another Valentine's Day book. We have Mouse's First Valentine. And when I got this one, I did not realize it was a board book. It does specify, it says if it's a board book, it says if it's hard copy, whatever. I guess I just didn't notice that, but I have this board book. Maybe I will give this away to a friend that has a baby. This one looks super cute. I love books with little mice in them. And next I got this book. It's called A Cachet of Jewels and Other Collective Nouns. So with our morning baskets, when we get to the letter J, J is for jewels. And do you know how hard it is to find books with jewels in them? It's very hard. So I found this one. I knew I had to get it. And this one says a word that means a collection of things like a cachet of jewels for the crowns of kings. And it says it's a gam of whales, a flock of sheep, a parcel of penguins. I think I'm going to learn a lot of things in here as well. An army of ants. I'm very excited about this. This is very different. Next we have another one for winter, and it's The Adventures of Sophie Mouse, Winter's No Time to Sleep. It's another chapter book here. Go. This is probably one that we were going to read together. And it has some pictures inside. Another cute story about mice, which I love. I'm so excited about that one. And I don't like mice in real life, but I love little mice in books. And next we have a Charlie Brown Valentine. I do have a Charlie Brown Valentine book from when I was a kid, but I feel like it's kind of falling apart a little bit and getting old, so I thought it'd be a great time to get a new one here. And as you can see here, this used to be sold at Walmart for $7.18, but I have a feeling that I probably got it for around $2. So a great deal. I think most of us do know the story of Charlie Brown and Valentine's Day. We recently had the Charlie Brown Christmas book and the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown in our Halloween and our Christmas morning baskets recently. And next here is another Usborne book that is out of print, and it is Poppy and Sam. If you know me, you know my favorite Usborne books are the Poppy and Sam books. I don't know if you could see over here, this whole shelf is Poppy and Sam, and there's a lot of Poppy and Sam books that are out of print. So I was so excited to find this one on Book Outlet. It's a sticker book. So we have the story here, and it has little places to put the stickers while you read the story, so it's interactive, and it has all the words on the stickers. It's great for those that are learning how to read. Oh, and it shows here in the back, I guess they used to have a whole bunch of different sticker stories, so hopefully Book Outlet will get some of those in the future so I can get more. Next is one for Easter. I'm preparing well ahead of time. I've seen on Book Outlet how things for holidays do sell out pretty quick, so to get them early is a great idea. I know a lot of us just had Christmas. We're not thinking about things like Valentine's Day and Easter, but for this website, it's a great idea to think of those things now and not wait when they sell out. So this one is super cute. It's 400 reusable stickers. In my morning baskets, I like to put activity books inside. So this one has sticker pages here. All kinds of different stickers and all the different colors. So my two younger girls will enjoy all these stickers. They love sticker books. So that's gonna be fun. And one last one I got for myself. Book Outlet does not just sell children's books, but they sell books for all ages. And this one I got for myself. It's called Your Year in Art Watercolor. So watercolor is something I always loved. I don't know how to do it, and I figured when I saw this that this might be a great project for me to do something every week, and hopefully by the end of the year I will know something about watercolors. So in here we have every week what you learn. And so here, this is week 2, where you're going to learn how to do different marks and all the different brushes. In week 12, you're going to do playing with negative space. And 21, one thing 20 ways. Well, that's going to be interesting. So I know sometimes we buy things like this and have high hopes for ourselves to actually do them, and we don't. And I really hope I do this. So make sure you come and check up on me and say, hey Bethany, are you doing your watercolor? So that I will actually do it this year. And that is it. That is the haul. Let me know down below what your favorite book was, and if you think you're going to be getting any of these books, or if you already have any of these books for these upcoming holidays. Again, remember I do have that $5 off coupon referral code down in the description box, where you can get $5 off your order of $25 or more. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and please hit that bell to be notified for future uploads. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye everyone!